Dividing decimal fractions can initially seem daunting, but it becomes straightforward once you understand the process. Imagine we're in a classroom where a teacher named Mr. Thompson is eager to explain this concept to his students. All right, class, Mr. Thompson begins. Today we're going to learn how to divide decimal fractions. Let's take an example. Suppose we want to divide 0.75 by 0.5. The first step is to make the divisor, which is 0.5 in this case, into a whole number. Mr. Thompson walks to the board and writes down the numbers. To do this, we need to multiply both the divisor and the dividend by the same factor of 10, which turns the divisor into a whole number. Here, multiplying by 10 does the trick, because 0.5 becomes 5 and 0.75 becomes 7.5. He pauses to ensure the class is following along and continues. By doing this, we're not actually changing the mathematical relationship between the numbers. We're simply making it easier to divide them using whole number arithmetic. Mr. Thompson proceeds to work out the division. Now we divide 7.5 by 5, just as we would with whole numbers. 7.5 divided by 5 gives us 1.5. Therefore, the result of dividing 0.75 by 0.5 is 1.5. A student raises a hand and asks, "What if the divisor is 0.05? Mr. Thompson nods. Great question. The same rule applies. You'd multiply both 0.05 and the dividend by 100 to ensure the divisor is a whole number. Remember, for every decimal place in the divisor, you multiply both numbers by 10. If the divisor is 0.05, you'd multiply by 100, making it 5. Now you perform the division as usual. It's important to line up your work correctly and keep track of the decimal points, he warns, and always make sure to adjust both numbers by the same factor to keep the calculation accurate. As the lesson wraps up, Mr. Thompson assigns practice problems. Try these at home, he says, and remember, gaining proficiency in dividing decimal fractions gives you confidence in handling numbers in many real-world scenarios.